Siyempre, I'm sorry. Star Cinema, I'm a Star Cinema baby. And, parang ako, hindi na kailangang sabihin pag may mga ganun. Tulungan, and at the same time, that's an opportunity. I missed working with Direk Chito, and I've expressed my intention to work with Kim, and even for a scene. And because of that, nagkaroon ng idea Star Cinema to pair us up for a movie. So I hope it pushes through.
Wow!
Ay, ni Kim?
Yeah.
Ano pong
Nanay ko siya. Baka sabihin mo tatay ako eh.
Kimo. Okay yun? Okay yun. Kailan to? By next year? May nakita
Of course, by next year.
May nakita sila agad na chemistry sa inyo ni Kim.
I think so. I hope so.
Ni-review ni Chris, di ka raw kinausap.
Nino.
Hindi ko siya thank you sa'yo, sabi niya, nabanggit niya.
It's okay. It's okay naman. Kim, we're friends. Since she started, I've seen her growth. So parang, sa napakaliit na mundo ng showbiz, ABS for that matter, mas maganda makapareho natin ng lahat. And si Kim, she's always giggly naman, so nakakatawa kasi she's fun to work with. Kinausap naman na ako. Hindi nga niya ako binigyan ng regalo. Bakit umasa sa regalo?
Talaga na regalo.
Yun lang.
Reaction niyo po na happy si Sharon na